You've heard of the monogram canvas, but how about LV's Epi Leather?
High durability and ability to withstand any weather condition is its primary characteristic, and that is the LV Epi Leather. How do they make one? Well, firstly, they make use of tanned vegetable plant extracts to ensure its solid feel, then stamped all together into a textured horizontal wavy pattern. Hence, when held, it feels as though you can be protected by the bag itself, by how thick and sturdy it feels while weighing almost like a loaf of bread. LV Epi Leathers got its inspiration from a 1926 custom tea case. Louis Vuitton's son, George, received a request from an Indian customer for a custom piece. So, George designed a tea case trunk, covering it with fine leather with a grain pattern stem into it. That then was the first ever Epi leather bag. In 1985, the Louis Vuitton company officially introduced Epi leather. As their designers would say, Epi creations are mostly deemed as modern elegance and timeless luxury.